Starting around 25 August 2023, a share boundlessness is exchanging at $4.79 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.67%, and especially most recent 60 minutes fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axis truly has a kind of all-out market cap of $674,842,154, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $17,537,164, which basically is genuinely huge. This truly makes a share limitlessness, Axis, in every way that really matters, positioning at 48 in the digital money market amazingly. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what most certainly is the share vastness cost expectation end of 2023. What will a share boundlessness generally be by and large worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is a share vastness a sort of wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023? Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Will Axis cost basically outperform its untouched high, really as opposed to prevalent thinking? These by and large are our share limitlessness cost expectations for Axis future, or so they truly thought. A share limitlessness, Axis, value expectation 2023. As per the share boundlessness conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The Axis cost explicitly is supposed to fundamentally cross a genuinely normal value level of $7.10, the normal certainly least value worth of a share vastness, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to in every way that really matters, be $6.80, which all things considered, is very critical. Besides, Axis can arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $7.73. Which certainly is very critical. Axis value estimate August 2023, concerning August 2023, a share boundlessness especially, is supposed to fundamentally arrive at the very least value worth of $5.77 in an unobtrusive manner. The Axis cost could for the most part arrive at an especially greatest cost of $6.49, with the genuinely normal cost around $6.31. By and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. A share vastness value expectation September 2023. The cost of a share boundlessness in a real sense is explicitly anticipated to explicitly reach at least worth of $6.20 in September 2023. Or so they for the most part thought. The Axis cost could in every practical sense arrive at a really most extreme worth of $6.81. With the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $6.44 all through 2023, demonstrating the way that the Axis cost could basically arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $6.81, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $6.44, all through 2023 incredibly. A share endlessness, Axis, value expectation October 2023, concerning October 2023. A share vastness cost basically is estimate to in a real sense. Arrive at a sort of the least cost of $6.33 in a very large manner. The Axis cost could basically arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $7.06, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $6.57 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Axis value conjecture November 2023. The share endlessness estimate for November 2023 expects that the Axis may truly arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $7.39, with a very least cost of around $6.59, which truly is genuinely huge. Discussing the typical value Axis can generally stretch around $6.83 for November, which in a real sense shows that these really are our share vastness cost expectations for Axis' future, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. A share vastness, Axis, value figure December 2023, for December 2023. The cost of a share endlessness explicitly is in a real sense anticipated to generally arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $7.10, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $7.73 and at least $6.80 in an unobtrusive manner. A share endlessness kind of past value examination and the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been in every practical sense diminished by 1.91% in its kind of current worth in an especially significant manner. Assuming we most certainly look at the especially current market cap of the Axis with yesterday's, you can essentially see that the market cap especially is likewise down. So the Axis cost could arrive at a greatest cost of $7.06, with the truly normal expected cost around $6.57 in an unobtrusive manner. A sheer endlessness basically is confronting a by and large tough time jumping aboard with in every practical sense. Other crypto coins, showing the way that discussing the very normal value axes, can explicitly stretch around $6.83 for November. Which sort of shows that these especially are our sheer boundlessness cost expectations for Axes' future. The Axes in every practical sense is down to nearly 1.56% over the most recent 7 days in a by and large huge manner. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for certainly past genuinely couple of days. The coin could for the most part have areas of strength for commonly yet. We don't explicitly imagine that it would a productive resource in every practical sense. Present moment, so assuming we really look at the especially current market cap of the Axes with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, so the Axes cost could generally arrive at a very greatest cost of $7.06, with the sort of typical expected cost around $6.57, which explicitly is very critical. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of Axes really diminished by 49.018%, killing an incredible exceptionally normal amount of $4.61 from its ongoing worth, which especially shows that a sheer limitlessness, Axes, value expectation October 2023, with respect to October 2023, a sheer vastness cost all things considered, is estimate to fundamentally arrive at an outright least cost of $6.33. Or so they truly thought. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be an especially decent explicitly purchase a valuable open door for extremely fast speculation, which by and large is very critical. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 59.15%. And the cost truly coursed from a very least exceptionally normal cost of $10.80 to pretty most extreme by and large normal cost of $12.31 in the beyond 90 days in an in every way that really matters, significant way. A sheer boundlessness by and large is somewhere near 27.94%. With the truly greatest pretty typical cost of the coin was around $6.96, and the in every practical sense least truly normal cost of for the most part was around $6.76 in by and large beyond 4 months in an essentially significant manner. A sheer endlessness value figure 2023 facts. What will especially be a sheer boundlessness essentially worth in 2023? Or so they in every way that really matters thought. The Axes cost especially is gauged to arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of $7.73. With genuinely least cost of $6.80 toward the finish of 2023, which sort of